In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently enable and configure multiple currencies on Salesforce, specifically using Dream Efficiency 5303. Lightning.force.com. This process can significantly streamline your company's financial transactions and reporting. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, begin by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. Ensure you're logged into your Salesforce account before proceeding, as you'll need access to certain settings that require permissions. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on this gear icon to access more advanced configurations. And after you're in the settings menu, you'll want to open the advanced setup options. This is where we'll configure the currencies. Once in the advanced setup section, there's a quick find box, which is a great tool to save time searching for specific settings. Type company information into this box. Entering the correct term here will immediately direct you to the company information settings. Now that the company information is loaded, wait for it to fully appear on your screen. After it's visible, proceed to click on the Edit option. Editing this section allows us to alter fundamental company settings. While editing, look for the Activate Multiple Currencies option. Ensure this box is checked, as this is the primary step in enabling multiple currencies for your account. This feature is vital for companies dealing with international clients and transactions. After ensuring the multiple currency option is activated, click Save to lock in these changes. Next, return to the Quick Find box, as it's time to configure specific currency details. In the Quick Find, type Manage Currencies to locate this function quickly. Click on Manage Currencies, which will lead you to the Currency Settings page. On this Currency Management page, choose New to add another currency. Here, you'll select from available currency types which best suit your company's needs. For accuracy, be sure to verify the currency type matches your business requirements. Once your currency type is selected, the next step involves inputting the correct conversion rate. This step is crucial, as an inaccurate conversion rate can lead to financial discrepancies. Double-check that the rate reflects current exchange values. Then, set the appropriate number of decimal places, which is important for precision in financial statements and reports. Finally, after all the details are correctly entered, hit Save to apply your settings. Your Salesforce account is now configured to handle multiple currencies effectively. With these options enabled, your business can manage global transactions more smoothly and with greater accuracy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this guide. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Salesforce experience.